Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra with a broken display and of course a broken back. It's a double whammy. Let's fix it. To start the repair, we're gonna show you the replacement display, and the replacement display contains all of the components that you will be needing to complete the repair. So you have components inside it, you have also tapes, and of course the frame of the device. So when we fix this one, we're gonna replace the front display, the back glass, and by definition we're gonna also replace the sides or the frame of the device. So this back cover is made of glass, which helps for wireless charging and of course connectivity, because it doesn't block any Bluetooth signal or NFC. But it's really fragile. As you can see there, it's broken. We're gonna dispose of it and replace it with a brand new one. So we're gonna remove the screws here, and of course Samsung flagship smartphones are easy to repair. So if you want to try this and you are confident of your ability to repair your smartphone, you can go ahead. But as you can see here, we're going to show you that some components are still not integrated onto bigger components. Some cameras or connectors are independent of the main components, like this one here. It's a module, but this one, it's a big chunk. This is the main board or the motherboard, which is kind of cute. You have all the cameras and sensors inside it. You also have the daughter board here that contains the the SIM card, and of course the charging port. We'll remove this one here. So you can't remove this if you don't remove the SIM card tray. We're gonna pull it out and then pull out the connector with the daughter board. And right now we're gonna remove the battery. Battery here is smaller in size compared to other mid-range Samsung smartphone, but it's high capacity. So that's what you get for getting the flagship smartphones. As you can see here, this is the replacement display, and all that we removed from the old display, we're gonna transplant them here. David, being a Samsung expert himself, no need to test the replacement screen if it works. He's just gonna go on and reassemble the whole thing, and then after reassembling the whole thing, test it. So if you want to have your Samsung Galaxy smartphone fixed, no matter what model it is, if you have a mid-range Samsung device or a flagship Samsung device like this S21 Ultra, you should just visit Sydney CBD Repair Center and let David do the hard work for you. It's not really hard work for him. As you can see here, he's doing a pretty good job by directly transplanting all the stuff, like he's memorized it already. But if you want to DIY this, it's really good platform, a good assembly design by Samsung. So you can do this on your own, or you can Google how you can do it, but we can't guarantee that you'll be fully doing that right the first time. If it's just a simple replacement, then you can do it, but this one will take a lot of time, and it's a high risk, high reward kind of situation, wherein if you do it right the first time, you will have a working S21 Ultra with $0 on the repair cost. But if you do it wrong, then you can damage other components which can be more expensive to fix, like the camera system or the main board. Well, there's no suspense there. David has done it again. The Galaxy S21 Ultra revived from the grave, and it's also charging. We're gonna test the cameras. buttons, screen, touch screen, and then we're good to go. We're gonna replace the back glass. This is the replacement one, brand new, same color. So it's just S21 Ultra with new skin, and it looks really fabulous now. So thanks for joining, guys. Till next time, cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.